They were due to fly over during the coronation, and even though they have officially gone out of service, they were allowed to take part in this occasion because of the significance that they represent. Great Globe Master. Massive aircraft. Does the heavy lift on operations. Known as the C-17 Globe Master, which comes from RAF Bryce Norton. Royal family getting that great roar.
There. Wow. That is.
As it goes over. The RAF Atlas. And before it, the RAF Poseidon.
Oh man, fighters.
We've seen the Voyager, the Atlas, the Poseidon, and Typhoons keeping the Poseidon safe. Behind that will come the Lightnings, and of course all these aircraft go at different speeds and have to be factored into the fly-past routine very carefully.
No.
And as with all good tactical flying, it's quite difficult to find for our helicopter pilot. You see the Princess Royal looking around the side of the Victoria Memorial to try and see where the lightning are coming from. Six Lightnings, F-35Bs, a great roar. The King's grandchildren rather enjoying that, I think.
But I think that red arrows might come as well.
Yeah. You think? You think the red arrows are gonna come? I think so too. Oh, there.
Wait, it is the red arrows, I think. It might be.
Oh my god! Holy sh! What the?
And then we've got 18 Typhoons coming, the FGR-4s, in the shape of CR, Carolus Rex, Charles King. Again, one shouldn't underestimate the effort and practice and rehearsal that members of the armed forces have put into this celebration of the nation in the person of the King's official birthday.
Red arrows! Red arrows!
Lastly, 9 Hawks from the Royal Air Force aerobatics team known as the Red Arrows in red, white and blue. And with an envoy for CC-1 in the middle. Buckingham Palace with the red, white and blue as the red arrows curl to the right.